back to my channel. So today we are going to learn I sound words. आज हम I sound words पढ़ेंगे. I sound words की जो पूरी लिस्ट है that today we will learn. और मेरे ही चैनल पे छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स में फोनोग्राम्स की आई के जितने भी फोनोग्राम्स है बहुत सारी वीडियोस अवेलेबल है जिनका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. आप चाहे तो बच्चे को ग्रुप्स में सिखा सकते हैं या फिर आप अपने बच्चे को सारा ही एक साथ सिखा सकते हैं. डिपेंड ऑन द एज ग्रुप ऑफ योर चाइल्ड. आपके बच्चे की एज के हिसाब से आपको उसको सिखाना है. हो सकता है आपका बच्चा पीछे रह गया है तो आप उसको पूरा एक साथ लर्न करवा सकते हैं. और अगर आपका बच्चा एज के साथ सही सीख रहा है तो डोंट बी इन हरी. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी मत सिखाइए उसको. आप ग्रुप्स में सिखा सकते हैं. जो वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उनको फॉलो करके. सो लेट्स मूव टू द मेन पार्ट. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू आई साउंड वर्ड्स. आज हम आई साउंड वर्ड्स कर रहे हैं. आज हम वो 3 लेटर वर्ड्स करेंगे जिनमें आई साउंड आएगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई सेज E. What is the sound of I? It's E. E, B, ib. Ib. Now some words with ib sound. B, ib, bib. H, ib, hib. Z, j, ib, jib. L, ib, lib. M, ib, mib. N, ib, nib. R, ib, rib. Z, ib, zib. E, d, id, id. D, id, did, did. H, id, hid. L, id, lid. K, id, kid, kid. M, id, mid. S, id, sid. E, f, if. E, g, ig. B, ig, big, big. D, ig, dig. F, ig, fig. P, ig, pig. P, ig, pig. W, ig, wig, wig. Z, ig, zig, zig. Im, e, m, im. E, n, in, in. B, in, bin. F, in, fin. M, in, min. P, in, pin. R, in, rin. S, in, sin. T, in, tin. W, in, win, win. Ip, ip, ip. D, ip, dip, dip. H, ip, hip, hip, hip. L, ip, lip, l, ip, lip. N, ip, nip, n, ip, nip. S, ip, sip, s, ip, sip. T, ip, tip, t, ip, tip. E, t, it, it. B, it, bit, b, it, bit. F, it, fit, f, it, fit. H, it, hit, h, it, hit. K, it, kit, kit. L, it, lit, lit. P, it, pit, pit. S, it, sit, sit. T, it, tit, t, it, tit. Now let's do with meaning. We will do meaning of 3-letter words only. So let's start. Bib. Bib means while eating, a small child wear it under the chin. That is bib. Hib. It's a meaningless word. Some words are meaningless also here. Jib. Jib is a white cloth or plastic. It is available in a ship. Lib, sometimes we call library as a lib. Mib, mib is a unit of measurement. Mib. Nib, nib is the tip of the pen. Nib is the tip of a pen. Rib, rib is a covered bone around our chest, that is rib. Jib is also a measurement, unit of measurement. Now id, id, इड्स के वर्ड्स का मीनिंग देखते हैं. So the first word is did. Did is means perform an action, any action performed. So we are saying did. I did it. Next is hid. Hid is the form of hide. Hide, sometimes we call it hid. Lid, lid is the cover of any utensil. Lid. Kid, it means child or baby. That is kid. You are a kid. Mid, mid means in between. In between two things, we are calling it mid. Sid, Sid can be a name. Sid, it can be a name. If sometime we are using it in sentence, if, what happened if? Egg, now let's do some words with egg. Big, big means large, bada, something in which is big in size. जो size में बड़ा होता है हम उसको big बोलते हैं, big. Now dig, dig means खोदना. I dig a pit. Dig means खोदना. Fig, fig means अंजीर, it's a dry fruit. Fig. Now pig, pig is an animal. Pig means sewer. Pig. Pig means sewer. Next is wig. Wig is an artificial hair that we wear on our head. That is wig. So wig, artificial hair. So most of the time people are wearing it. Now zig. Zig means it's a pattern. Zigzag pattern. You must have practiced. Zigzag. Now im. We are not practicing any word with im. Now let's move to another word. That is in. In. So in, we are using it. In means under. Come in. Keep it inside your bag. That is in. Bin. Bin is a dustbin. Fin. Fin is a part of body of a fish. This is the picture of fin. This is fin. Min. Min, sometimes we use this word for minutes, short form of minutes. So we are using min. Pin, pin is a pointed thing. This is the picture of pin. Then Rin. Rin, there is a soap available in the market with the name of Rin. Sin, these all are the Rin, Sin, these all are the meaningless words. These are just for the practice. Next is tin. Tin is a metal. Tin, we call it tin. Next is win. Win means to win something. कोई race जीतना, कोई competition जीतना. If you win something, अगर आप कहीं पे किसी competition में जीत जाते हैं, you can say that I win the race, I win the competition. Now ip sound words. So first word is dip. Dip means to put something inside any liquid, like I dip my biscuit in my tea. Hip. Hip is the below waist, the body part below the waist, our waist, and above our leg. That is hip. This is lip. Lip. We all have lips. So this is also a body part. Lips. Now nip. Nip means to quickly go somewhere. So we can say that nip. To go somewhere very quickly. So that is nip. Next word is sip. Sip means to drink something. Sip. Take a sip. Tip. Tip, you know that. Sometimes we are giving to the waiter or any advice also. We are saying tip. It. Bit. Bit means a bite. Bite is a bit. Fit. I am very fit. If you are healthy, you can say that I am fit. Hit. Hit means किसी को push करना, मारना, something like that. Kit is this is a picture of kit. This is a kit of colors. Lit we are using for light, lit. Pit means gadha, koi gadha, that is pit. Sit means बैठना. Tit is a bird also, and tit for tat also we are using this word. So practice all these. आई होप वीडियो आपको यूजफुल लगा है. वीडियो थोड़ा भी यूजफुल रहा हो तो उसको लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें. चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस करें, सो दैट यू कैन गेट द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ माय ऑल द अपकमिंग वीडियोस. वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन बाय, टेक केयर.